How to make anonymous questions on Instagram 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Instagram and how you're going to make anonymous questions for yourself in the easiest and most simplest way. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to make sure that you have this application called NGL, okay? It's totally free and you can find it on your app store in the simplest way. So once you've gotten NGL, let's go ahead and set it up. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and get started. It's going to ask you for your date of birth. So just go ahead and write that in. Once you do that, you're going to choose the application you want it for. So let's say I'm going to go with Instagram. Now you're going to choose a username. So let's say I'm going to, go with this as my username. Okay. Now, if you want to choose a profile picture, you can do that. I'm simply going to skip that. And once we have done that, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and ask any anonymous question, like let's say, who is your favorite musician? Okay, so let's say we're going to ask that. We're going to click on done, and from here simply click on copy link. And once you have copied this link from here, you're going to go over to your Instagram, and once you come over to your Instagram, from here go over to this section. Okay, and once we're over here, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your overlays, go over to the link section, and in the link section, simply paste the NGL link. And this is how you're going to be asking anonymous questions on Instagram in the easiest and most simplest way. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.